Want to make money promoting Temu? This video shows you exactly how to join the Temu affiliate program, step by step. First, head over to the Temu website, temu.com. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Look for the affiliate program link, usually located in the footer under About Temu. Click on it. This takes you to the Temu affiliate program landing page. Read through the information provided to understand the program benefits, commission rates, and terms. Now, find the Sign Up or Join Now button and click it. You'll now be directed to the registration form. Fill in all the required information accurately. This usually includes your name, email address, website or social media profile links, and your preferred payment method for receiving commissions. Once you've completed the form, submit your application. You'll typically receive a confirmation email or message indicating that your application is under review. Now just wait for their reply to confirm your account.